Hello. Hello.
Hello, potato. Okay, so potato, let's continue. Let's continue. Okay, here, potato, look at this. I have something for you to answer. Go. Read a story, potato, and choose the word from the box. Come on, please read. Come on. Grace.
What?
Grace, please read.
Wait. Work at a children's hospital in the city center. She has
Blank.
uh, uh,
Her work changes. Go.
working this. Her working this sometimes she has worked at night. Saturday, when reading,
Again,
she goes.
again, potato. Read properly. I cannot hear you. Come on, last Tuesday.
Last Tuesday. Last Tuesday.
Grace slept,
In the day and
woke up in the evening.
work up in the evening.
Next, she cooked.
He cooked. He cooked.
What did she cook? Potato, look at there. What did she cook? Look at the words.
He cooked.
What is that? She cooked. What kind of word here has a word of the food? She cooked what? What is it? She cooked. Where are you? Yung ni Google. Huh? Ito kada kay amati ko. Yan na ka. Okay, potato, please read. Number 2, she cooked. What did she cook? Go. What did she cook? What did she cook? Go. Fish. Very good. Draw lines. Draw lines. Okay, go.
Fish.
Okay, next. And chip.
Now watch it. Fish.
Why it's washed? Wait me. Hey, look. Okay, look at here. Okay, next. Okay, potato, go. She cooked.
She cooked.
Go.
Fish.
Okay, next.
She is a fly. She
Okay.
is a nose. She is a nose. She is a nose. Yeah.
Okay,
She.
go.
One. She's one. One. She's a nose.
What is it? Week after their dinner? This one, number 1 is she's a nurse. Okay, very good. Next. Lisa. Go. Next. Went to bed, but Grace had to get up in the car and blank to work. What's the answer?
Okay, teacher.
Okay, go. What's number 3?
Yeah. Drive.
Okay, it's drive. Very good. Okay, next.
What?
Come on.
What?
Please read.
Okay. Hungry is hungry.
Okay, 4 is hungry. Next. Next, number 5.
Slow.
Okay, 5 is clothes. All right, so here, potato, read again. Grace works at the children's hospital. Come on, read it all.
When all the sitting together, there's sometimes last
Next.
Tuesday, Wednesday, in the evening. She cooked and served family dinner, but Grace only one cup and half coffee. After the dinner, then Grace only was having with
Read properly.
and
Go.
drive to work.
And went to bed. So she sat down at the table to have her favorite dinner, pasta. What's the favorite dinner of Grace? Potato. What's the favorite dinner of Grace? What's the favorite dinner? What's the favorite dinner? What's this? What's the favorite dinner? The favorite dinner of Grace is pasta. Correct. So her children were at school, at the house.
One like quiet.
Next, Grace played some music,
So that
emails,
email and
text messages, then took off her.
Her clothes and went to bed.
Very good. Perfect. Very good, Potato. You're very good in answering now. Okay. You just have to be careful with your reading. Okay. Don't read it so fast. Look at nurse, fish, drive, hungry, and goods. Perfect. Now here, Potato, what do you think is the best name of the story?
Bad name.
What do you think? It's the
It's not
greatest day. Go. Please read.
day one.
Very good. Look at that. That's the correct answer. Grace's day at work. So here, next here, Potato, please read. For movers tip, for speaking part 1, go. Potato, please read. For speaking part 1, you should practice. Go. Identifying
And subscribe describing multiple difference that you might
10 differences that you might find in two pictures. These often relate to
color, number, size, shape, problem, activity, and weather.
Okay, so here we go. Now look at here, potato. Find the difference between the picture. Come on. You draw a circle on the differences. Potato, what are the differences here in these two pictures? We have
one is soup, one is fruit,
okay.
one is kangaroo, one is computer, one is VR. Okay.
All right. Look at here, potato.
One is have a hat and one no have a hat.
Not no one have. What else?
One have a table. Well, one table. Table.
Okay, look at here. Okay, look at here, potato. So we have here, let's say, in picture one.
In picture one, I don't know.
We have, there is, no, that word is, there are, or there is a picture of kangaroo, computer, radio,
Yeah.
what else? Fruits,
Table, circle.
table, round table,
Round table.
apple, and the nurse is wearing a cap. It's not a hat, but it's a cap. Okay, there is a picture. Wait, there is wrong. Okay, there is a picture of a kangaroo, radio, fruits, round table, apple, and the nurse is wearing a cap. While in picture two, what's about in picture two? While in picture two, what's in picture two? Well, in picture two, the table is, what can you see about the table, potato? The table is square. There is, yes, there is a soup. Next, computer. Yeah, computer, panda. And the nurse is, how about the nurse? Is not wearing a cap. Okay, please read, potato. What's the answer? Look at here. Please read what's the answer. In picture one, go.
In picture one, there's a picture of kangaroo, radio, fruit, a round table,
Apple.
and wearing a cap.
While
In the picture two, the table is square. There is a soup, computer. Panda is and a nose is not wearing a cap.
very good. Okay, great job, potato. You just have to practice saying it in a correct sentence. Okay, next we have here. Oh, no, we go. So here, we finish this one, potato. Then we will do the next one. Wait me. There's still more. Okay. Here, potato. What is this? We've got, go, please read.
Thing to do.
Very good. We've got lots of things to do. So we have here grammar. What's this? We have here tell the time. Okay. So we have here, it's 12 o'clock. It's 5 past 12, 10 past 12. It's quarter past 12. It's 20 past 12. Everything. Now here, look at here the 2 clocks, Potato. What time is it? Do you know how to tell time? Look at the time. What's the time, Potato?
12.
Okay. It's 10 past 10. And then we have 12 past. Again, 12 past 8.
8.
Very good. Now here, we have here also, Potato, the simple present tense. So a present simple tense is a verb form of sentence that tells about the action, circumstances that happens regularly. Okay. Here, Potato, please read adverb. What is adverb of time? Adverbs of time, answers. Please read. Potato, adverbs of time. Answers the question. What's the question? It answers the question when. Again, it answers the question.
Consider long open, modern, adverb, or timely.
Okay, so adverbs of times answers the questions when. So it tells us when an action happened besides how long, how often, and most important, adverbs of time list. Okay, so look at here, Potato. I have here, what are the given adverbs of time? We have, please read, Potato. At, come on, Potato, at, in, on, and ever. Okay, so these are some examples of adverbs of time. Okay, we have here, Potato. We use adverbs of time, of frequency. Look at Potato, please read. Number 1, we use, come on, we use,
Remember to primary to sell money something with me.
okay, we use the adverb of frequency to say how often does somebody.
Oh.
Okay, go.
Wow.
We have, what's that? You have a book?
Yeah,
What's your book all about?
About alphabets of February.
Yeah, we are the same. Ah, frequency. Yes, this one. This one is an adverb of frequency. Yes, that's correct. So Potato, if we say adverb of frequency, it tells how often somebody does something. We use the word always. Come on, what are the adverbs of frequency, Potato? Always, go.
Always, easily, often, sometimes, never.
Yeah, now here, I have here some examples of sentences with this following adverbs. Potato, please read.
I don't always play computer game. I usually go to the friend's house. We often go to the park. We sometimes listen to music. You never read books.
Look at here. Okay, if we say always, you do it every time. If we say usually, you do it most of the time. If you say often, not so always, middle. If you say sometimes, that is lower to often. And then never, it means you really don't do it. Okay? Now we have here adverbs of frequency usually go before the main verb. Look at example number 2. Potato, what's this? Please read. She
doesn't always go to the bed early.
Okay, which one here? What word here is the adverb of frequency, Potato? Where is the adverb of frequency? The word?
Always.
Very good. Next, number 2. Number 2, do you?
Do you usually go to the park?
Okay, what word here is the adverb of frequency? Where is the adverb of frequency? It's very good. Okay, now here. Look at here. Sometimes and often have a different place in a negative sentence. So sometimes they don't play basketball or they don't visit their aunt. Okay, very good, Potato, because you have a book. Your book and this are the same. Okay, here, Potato. Write the adverb to the correct place. You have that one also? Okay, go. Look at here. Write the adverb in the correct place. What's number 1? She rides her bike in the park. What is it? What's the answer?
She sometimes rides a bike to the park. She
Yeah.
always goes to bed at 9 o'clock. We
Next.
usually go to the cinema on Wednesday. I
Cinema.
often read a magazine on Sunday morning. He never eats fish. He always does his homework on Friday.
Very good. Potato, how do you know? Potato, you're so very good in here. You know adverbs? You know this? Oh, very good. You're so very good. Perfect. Okay, now here, Potato. What do you do in the morning before you come to school? What do you do first?
I clean my teeth and wash my face.
Yeah. How about you get out of the bed first? Again, I get out of the bed. Get out of the bed. You stand up.
I get out of bed.
Next, after getting out of the bed, what do you do first? Next, clean my teeth or wash your face? Ah,
Clean my teeth.
and then?
Wash my face.
Okay, very good. Here.
No.
Okay.
I wash my face and clean my teeth.
Next, what's after? What's next? Okay, tell me what do you do?
Be with me.
Okay, go.
With me.
Okay. Okay, here. We have number 1, get out of bed. 2, wash your face. 3, clean my teeth. How about have a shower?
No.
No shower?
Put things in the school bag.
Oh, put things in the school bag. Next. Next, Potato.
Find school book.
Okay.
No.
What's the answer?
Four is find school book.
Okay,
Put things in the school bag.
put things. Okay, next. How about number 6?
There.
How about have a shower? No shower in the morning?
Get t-shirt.
Okay. Get dressed. Again, get dressed. Next. Get dressed. Next, after get dressed. Potato. T-shirt. There's no t-shirt here. Get dressed. Next. Get t-shirt. Okay, next. After the get t-shirt, what do you do next? We're 7. Again. Again, 7. Breakfast. Okay.
Breakfast.
Next. What's next? 8. Where's number 8?
Put on the shoe.
Put on the shoes. Next.
No.
Okay, where? Where? No shoes.
No.
Open the door?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, with me. Okay, number 8. Next, how about number 9? What's number 9? Potato. Potato. What's number 9?
9 is put on the shoe.
Oh, put on the shoes. And what's the number 10? Last thing.
Wave goodbye to your parents.
Okay, very good. Now here, Potato, when do you have shower? How about having a shower? What time?
Oh,
When do you take a shower? In the nighttime? In the evening?
I in o'clock.
In the
9 o'clock.
9 o'clock. Okay, you take a bath at 9 o'clock, not in the morning. Okay, so when you have a shower, you also wash your hair, right?
1 p.m.
1 p.m.?
1 p.m.
Okay, all right. Okay, so Potato, we will end here. All right, so Potato, these are your routine or things that you do in the morning before you go to school. So what's the first thing to do, Potato? What's number 1? Number 1 is get out of Potato. What's number 1? Get out of
Get out of bed. 2 is
2.
my job. 3 can
Clean
clean my
my
teeth. 5 school book.
5.
5 is putting in the school bag.
6.
Get there. Get shirt.
Get shirt. 7.
Have breakfast.
Okay, 8.
The door. Put
And
on your wave goodbye to your parents.
okay, very good. So Potato, thank you for sharing. What do you do in the morning? Okay, so Potato, we will end here. We will just continue this one. Next meeting. Goodbye, Potato.
Let me. Teacher,
Yeah.
my mom wants to have a conversation with you.
Okay, what is it?
Can you prepare some lesson for Potato younger sister now?
What? How old?
She is about 6 years old. 7 years old.
Okay. Does she know already how to read and speak English? Or no? She knows how.
She is a beginner.
Beginner. Okay, starter. Can we have starter?
Can you have a test with her?
Okay, wait. Yes, I will find, okay, I will find a lesson for her, okay? I'll
Okay.
message your mom once I have the lesson already, okay?
Okay.
She's beginner, right? Okay, yeah,
Yes.
she's beginner. Yeah. Okay, I'll send.
Calendar for my mother.
Yeah. You just tell your mom that if I have already the lesson, I will send it to your mom so your mom will know. Okay? All right. Thank you. Hi, Putin. Putin. Hi, Putin. Hi. Putin is already big now. You're big now, Putin. Okay. Goodbye, Putin. Bye-bye. Goodbye. Goodbye.